counters को हेर्ने भने first we study the types of counters. So how many types of counters are there? These are asynchronous, or we can say ripple counters, or we have synchronous counters. Here, asynchronous or ripple counters or synchronous counters. Two types of ones. So as I am saying, पहला two parts होता asynchronous ripple counters parts. Okay, asynchronous ripple counters. Okay, so big types is how many like types is I'll write types. So here are the up counter, down counter, and up down counter. Up, down, counter, up down. Okay. Similarly, synchronous could be there. Up counters, down counters, and up, down counters. Okay. So as I say, I'm going to asynchronous. Then I'm going to second this is I'm synchronous relation. Asynchronous up counter. So we're going to study. We're going to study with the 2-bit asynchronous ripple, asynchronous ripple up counter. So आज का topic हो, and you will enjoy this topic very much. So 2-bit asynchronous ripple counter को पूरा करने के लिए 2-bit लेके ऐसा जिसके अंदर हम two flip flop use करते हैं, and the type of flip flop that you can use is you can use either JK or you can use T flip flop. यदि आपने JK प्रयोग करे बने, then JK में आप JK में 1 दिनों पड़ेगा सर. I told you that what is the use of the toggling effect of the JK flip flop. I told you in the class I think ना the toggling effect जो सा नहीं JK flip flop होता नहीं कुल केस में होता जब दूसरे input 1 होता है तो केस में toggling होता right, and this whole application कहाँ सा counters में सा. So either you can use JK or what you can do is you can directly use T and keep the value of T as 1. So since there are two flip flops, 2 bits, so we will use 2 flip flop, and let's give the name TA, QA complement, TB, QB complement, and T flip flop में generally हमें block use करते हैं क्योंकि हम सा negative edge trigger करते हैं. CL के clock इसको इनपुट चाहिए 1 होता and ये यहाँ पे 1 दिन ऊपर होता. दूसरा आउटपुट होता QA and QB. This is your MSB, this is your LSB. पहला एक ही बनाऊंगा. इस योरा चीज मिसिंग हुआ है इसमें. There is something missing in this. This is flip flop. This is flip flop number 8. Something missing in this. Any idea what is missing? Key missing is one. Clock missing. Now, see, number one ध्यान देना. यदि हमने QA लाइन करने वाले बने, हम लोग अप काउंटिंग होता QA कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिनट वाले बने डाउन काउंटिंग होता. बुझलो? Since we have to study up counter, so हम की also QA line इसमें करंट okay. सो यसको पहिला हामीले टाइमिङ डायग्राम बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ त्यसपछि हामी टेबल बनाउँछौँ यसको टाइमिङ डायग्राम पहिला बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. So let's make the timing diagram for this. Timing diagram. So कतिवटा ब्लक चाहिन्छ हामीलाई नेगेटिभ एच गरौँ. So 1 2 3 so 2 बिट्स आनि 2 बिट भनेको नम्बर अफ स्टेट आउनु कति हुन्छ. I'll teach you this just for instance. I'll teach you as one particular equation I think I'm going to use this one. So actually number of states is given by 2 to the power n where n is equals to number of bits. So you have 2 bits and n value 2. So 2 square will be 4. Means number of states will be 4. So since n is equals to 2, therefore number of states is equals to 2 square, that is 4. That is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 states are. So 4 clock pulse are like this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. This is the answer. क्या है? चलिए कंप्लीट करो. बस यहाँ समझ जाए. This is the clock. Negative edge to the clock. Okay. Now, you have the clock. You have the value of t as 1. It is fixed, so we can directly draw QA and QB. QA and QB find out करने क्या हमने? QA क्या होगा? So let QA is equals to 0 initially. So 0 initially 0 मानसा उसके यहाँ से मैं 0 नहीं लाऊँगा. And first clock आने बिल्कुल के first negative edge आने बिल्कुल क्या हो? Flip flop active होगा. Flip flop में input किस होता है 1. So it will toggle बोले तो previous state को complement. था सिंपल वाला है. सीधा करके मैंने flip flop पढ़ा है. So it will complement. मैं सामने 0 7 है हम लोग previous state को 0 3 होने अब 1 होगा. Right? Similarly, second clock आने बिल्कुल के फिर toggle होगा 1 बटा 0. Third clock में third negative edge में फिर toggle होगा 0 बटा 1. Fourth में फिर यो toggle होगा like this. So this is your QA. This is your QA. Done. Now after this, you can see that now we need to find QB. हमें क्या find करना पड़ेगा साहब? QB. तो QB find करने के लिए TB था उन पर, ना ये clock था उन पर. QB TB already has something like TB का TB हो 1. Okay, it is also ready for toggling. And what is the clock? इसका clock क्या होगा? QA is the clock now. QA is the and what kind of clock? Negative edge triggered. Negative edge triggered. Okay. So negative edge triggered means यहाँ falling edge में your negative edge triggered. So this is acting as a clock now for the next flip flop. And let the initial value of Q be 0. So यहाँ से मैं आपने 0 नहीं मान सकता हूँ. And यहाँ से मैं अब यहाँ 0 से initially 0 था. कहाँ से मैं 0 होता? जब मैं your first clock आऊँगा तब मैं 0 होता, right? And your active होने की clock negative edge आने की हम लोग clock क्या होता? Active होता and इसमें like active होता है toggle वाले को previous state को complement. So previous state 0 थी बने अब complement. So it will remain up to 1 till here until the next negative edge arrives. And then यहाँ वाला फिर toggle करता becomes 0. Clear? Now let's write the values of, since QB is the MSB, QB is the okay. Anyways, let's write the values. what value is this? 0. What value is this? 0. What value is this? 1. What value is this? 0. And again 0. Okay, now we'll write the table. We'll write the table for this. So truth table. First we'll write clock. पहले clock किस पीछे MSD लिखने में MSD क्या होगा हम QB so QB and then QA and then we'll write decimal equivalent value. So initially जब clock हाम्रो 0 clock में 0 clock means clock अहिले दिएकै छैन 0 clock okay first clock आएको छैन 0 clock में हाम्रो QB र QA value के हो QB र QA से read गर्ने कि QB QA 0 0 0 0 decimal equivalent के हो 0 अच्छा okay now what is the value in the first clock see first positive edge so you can write first positive होइन कुन edge हो negative so first clock में what value do you get 0 1 0 1 second में
1 0
second में 1 0 then third में 1 1 and fourth में 0 0 fourth में 3 0 so what is this one equivalent 1 2 3 and then 0 and it will continue like this. So what we have done की कर इसमें आते हमने की करना खोजा सर why we are studying this you know it is able see ये तो मैंने लिखी हुई ना डायग्राम बनाया ना यो फर्स्ट क्लॉक है यो second clock or third clock है तो मैं लिखा दूंगा but how can you count actually how many clock pulses have been sent कितने clock pulses sent by से how can you count so this is the counter and this counter see first clock pulse में output 1 is second clock pulse में 2 दिन सब it is counting the number of clock pulses and इसका application क्या था जब ये digital clock हमरो watch stopwatch so you must count we can count as the number of clock pulses see third clock में 3 फिर why it is only 2 bit को number of states 4 हो तो 4 state में था 1 2 3 4 फिर repeat होता है क्या and this is up counting why because it is going from lower value to higher value 0 to right so it is up counted up counting and what is the maximum value of the count 3 so this is a formula maximum count is nothing but 2 to the power n minus 1 so the fact n will do 7 2 square 4 minus 1 भनेको 3 so 3 is the answer बुझ्यो